name is Felicity. I'm the program manager at FARRMS, and I'm here today to talk a little bit about our Farm Dreams workshop. Farm Dreams is a free two-part online workshop that is going to be held this November 3rd and November 10th, Thursday nights online from 6 to 8 p.m. And it's a program for anyone who has dreamed of starting a farm. Anyone can participate in Farm Dreams. It is free to attend and it's online, so it's really geared toward people who are interested in starting a farm. Whether you have experience in farming or not, it's open to all. And anyone who is farming in North Dakota but you'd like to expand your network or to meet new farmers, I encourage you to attend as well. So Farm Dreams is really designed for you to think about your farm dream, to kind of write that down and then bring that to the workshop and talk to other experienced North Dakota farmers who are farming, living their farm dream in North Dakota. So it's just a great way for you to learn more about what the next steps might look like and really just get some clarity around if that is what you would like to move toward in the future. So you can find the short registration form on our website, which is farrms.org/dream, and that is farms with 2 R's. So it's FARRMS.org/dream. If you want to learn more about FARRMS, first you can visit our website, which is farrms.org. Again, farms with 2 R's, FARRMS. And you can also follow us on Instagram or Facebook to stay updated on what we're doing. And those are at farrms.nd.